Thokozani, Emma, Kursini, Thokozani, everyone that is watching this video. My name is Robin, Nkosazana Robin, Indlovukazi. So, here, guys, I am here with a plug again. So, the way leti washo ngitibeke ngakhona ti-3 guys, and tihamba ngale ndlela lengitibeke ngakhona. Ungacali sekugcineni understand cala ngalesi ngikukhombe sona usebenzise lesi esi2 ugcine ngalesi sasekugcineni bese ithi ngikunike ama-instructions ukuthi uyenza kanjani. Uyabona lena iphinde emuva ne impinda le lokuthi nawugeza whatever le bakufaka yona tindo letibita sathane imimoya lemibi tilwane le tindo tiyahamba tibuyele tukemnikati lokuthi la siyasusa. It's not about ukuthi sibuyisele emuva mara ukuthi sisusa konke lokubi lokuthi uqala uyati-cleanser le i-cleansing liyokuqala bogogo nabomkhulu. I hope nangiva nawe lobukela this video. So here is the first swasher that you can use to cleanse yourself, to remove every bad or negative energy in your body. And then the second one that I am holding here, guys, naso siya cleanser, you understand, naso siya cleanser lesi. And also I like the fact that it has charcoal and it's good for your skin, it's good for detoxifying your skin and everything. So skin sakho stoba fresh, sibe nice, sishelele. Naso lesi siya kucleana bese naso siyasusa as well, siyasusa nje tindo letibita sathane, moya lemibi yasathane, siya cleanser guys. Nawo uyasibona. And then siyabalekisa tilwane as well. Nanguthi unetilwane nje tindo nje letibheke eceleni guys. So lana guys tindo longatisebenzisa nawuqala, you understand. So ungasebenzisa and then lesi sokugcina lesi ke bese lesi sivula amaphupho akho guys, you understand. Uqale ususe imimoya lemibi kuze ukuthi lesi sokugcina sikhona ukuthi sisebende sikuvulele amaphupho akho lavalekile, sikukhanyisele kuze inhlanhla yakho ikhone kuvuleka guys, because now uvaleke emaphupheni nje nempilo yakho iyavaleka, you understand. Tino nje timane tivaleke because awuboni lutho, because ngilafa nawubone khona ukuthi kuyendakala nempilweni yakho ukhona ukuthi wathi ukuthi ulwa njani, uyangi-understanda. I hope I'm making sense bogogo nabomkhulu. So lesi sivula amaphupho lesi. So I prefer ukuthi njengoba ngitibeke ngakhona ukuthi utisebenzise njalo guys, cala ngokucleanser cala kuze sitokhona ukuthi kusebende lokusebenzisako. Nanguthi ufuna kuvula inhlanhla cala ucleanse kuqala before usebenzisa senhlanhla. So lesi nginika sona because I know ukuthi some of you muthi unchronic afforder, so lana kushiphile guys. La kungasebenzi hamba enyangeni because most of the time tindo tiyasinza, so tifuna vele umuntu ukuthi anilaphe, you understand. Tifuna ukuthi vele uhambe emfuleni uyogezwa uyothulwa ususe konke lokubi. So lana is just ukuthi ukhona ukuthi nje uqale, you understand. Nanguthi tindo takho atikho heavy that much, ungaqala ungasebenzisa lana akunankinga mara khumbula ukuthi ufanele utithandazele letindo leti before utisebenzisa. Emakhosini Thokozani.